You didn't really cheat on me, especially with her.
Take me out of this phase. I'm reaching a point I can't even erase all of the memories now. Please let me lose somehow. You're driving me crazy, but all I can do is just put up a smile. It's going to take me a while. For now. But how do I heal my soul? 'Cause it feels so. But would you settle down? Settle down with me now and forever. Settle down. Settle down with me now and forever.
Are you still in love with her?
I don't hate you, but I hate how you make me feel. Because I can't have you.